Hello, 6th graders. I'm Mrs. Gochin, the media specialist at William Annan Middle School. Now that you've learned what a database is, it's time to learn how to search, find, and save an article from a database on your chosen Greek god. The database we will use today is called SearchingTheSIRSDB. To begin, we first have to go to the Research Guide webpage that I have made for this research project. Turn to the front page of the TAN research handout you picked up when you came into this library. Please pause the video until you are ready to continue. Now we will follow the numbered steps at the top of the page. First, it says go to the William Annan Middle School homepage. So open a new tab in your browser, and we can do that either by Googling WAM's homepage or typing in the web address, which is williamannan.bernardsboe.com. If you Google WAM's homepage, click the first link that comes back, William Annan Middle School Home, and that takes you to the WAM's homepage. Our next step says to click on the Media Center tab or link in the blue navigation bar on the left, right here. So we click that, and now we are on the Media Center homepage. On this page, we want to now click the Resources link in the blue navigation bar on the left, and this takes us to the Resources webpage that is part of the Media Center website. Next, we want to click on the WAM's Resource LibGuides link right here in the center of the screen, and that takes us to our list of all the research guide pages I've created for the different research projects at William Annan. We want to find the 6th grade Greek God guide page. The easiest way to do that is to now click the All, and you will see a gold star saying All Published Guides. This is an alphabetical list. So now we can scroll down looking for 6th grade English Greek gods. That's number 6 on the list. Click that link, and that takes us to the 6th grade English Greek gods research guide page. This guide page has links to copies of all the handouts that you'll receive over the next few days, and general information about databases that you learned in the video you watched about what is a database, as well as the videos that you'll be watching over the next few days. The last thing is the database instructions page. This provides us with a link to our SearchingTheSIRSDB webpage or database and the bulleted steps for how to search and find an article in this database. These directions match the directions you will find on the bottom half of the TAN sheet in your research packet that explains how to search the SearchingTheSIRSDB database. Please follow along on the TAN sheet as we complete these steps to search, find, and save a database article about your god or goddess. So step 1 is click on the SearchingTheSIRSDB icon right here in the green box on our guide page. So we click that. And now step 2 says in the search box, type in the name of your god or goddess. So do that now. I will use Zeus, make sure you spell it correctly, as my example here. And then you can either hit the Enter key or click on the magnifying glass over here on the right. Step 3. The results we see are all the articles that are related to the god or goddess name we typed in. Now we want to look for the article with a title that is your god's name. So right here I find it, Zeus. We can click on that article title to now open up that article. Next, we want to browse through the article a little bit to make sure it has useful information for us. And as I browse, I see that this article will tell me about Zeus, who he was. It talks about some of the other gods that he was involved with. It talks about his brothers. It talks about his children. That is all information that I'll want to know to fill in my graphic organizer. So this article is useful to me. Step 4 is we now want to save this article to our Google Drive, so we don't have to keep searching the database every time we want to look at the article. To do this, we want to click on the Save to Google Drive link in the blue Use This Article box on the left of the screen. So click that now, and then you will receive a message back saying your document was successfully saved to Google Drive under a folder called ProQuest SERS Discoverer. So that folder will be in your My Drive, and the article will be in that folder. Now, let's click on the link to take us to Google Drive so we can see that article. So now I'm on My Drive, and I will scroll down till I find my ProQuest SERS Discoverer folder, and in that folder is my article. Now the last thing that we want to do to finish up is to now print out this article so that you can read it, highlight it if you want to, and pull out the information that you need. So to do that, we double click on the article to open it, and here's our article. Pause the video now until all students are ready to continue. Now, let's print out our article. To do that, you're going to click the printer icon, and then you want to make sure that you are choosing the Cybrary printer. And it looks as though I don't have that set up here, but you want to look for a printer that says WA and then CYB for Cybrary. And then once you find that, select it, make sure it shows up right here, and then click Print to print out your article. You have completed your search of a database and found an article you can use for researching your god or goddess. Your teacher will give you directions on your next steps after printing out your article. Good luck with research!